In this guide, we'll provide actionable solutions to fix the slow charging of Samsung phones issue, ensuring you can charge your device efficiently. Solution 1. Check the charger and cable. Inspect the charger and cable for physical damage or wear. Test your charger with another device or use a different outlet. Ensure the charger meets your device's wattage requirements, for example 25W for fast charging. Solution 2. Activate adaptive fast charging. Step 1. Go to Settings, Battery and Device Care, Battery, More Battery Settings. Step 2. Toggle on fast charging. Solution 3. Try wireless PowerShare. Step 1. Activate PowerShare from the Quick Settings panel. Step 2. Place your Samsung phone back to back with a compatible device. Solution 4. Optimize battery usage. Step 1. Open Settings, Battery and Device Care. Step 2. Tap Optimize now to clear redundant processes and improve charging speed. Solution 5. Delete third-party apps. Step 1. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Step 2. Tap power off to shut down the phone completely. Step 3. Press and hold the power button again until the Samsung logo appears. Step 4. When the logo shows, immediately release the power button and press and hold the volume down button. Step 5. Continue holding the volume down button until the phone finishes booting. Step 6. Look for the word Safe Mode in the bottom left corner of your screen. This indicates that the phone is running without third-party apps. Step 7. Use your phone normally and charge it while in safe mode. If charging speeds return to normal, a third-party app is likely causing the issue. Step 8. Exit safe mode by restarting your phone normally. Navigate to Settings, Apps. Step 9. Review recently installed or suspicious apps. Look for apps you don't recognize or that coincide with the start of the slow charging issue. Step 10. Tap the app you wish to remove, then select Uninstall. Restart the phone and test charging speeds again. Solution 6. Update phone software. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, Software Update. Step 2. Tap Download and Install to ensure your device is up to date. Solution 7. Fix with Samsung Repair. If none of the above fixes work, your phone may have deeper software or hardware issues. Then, the ultimate method you can try is using an Android system repair tool. Step 1. Firstly, you need to download the software, install it on your computer, and launch it. Step 2. Then, connect your Android device to the computer and select Repair Android Repair. Step 3. Now, fill in your phone's information, such as brand, device name, model, country or region, and mobile carrier. Check the box next to the message "I agree to the warning and am ready to continue," and then click Next. Step 4. Follow the prompts to enable download mode on your Samsung phone. Wait for the firmware to download. Once completed, it will automatically initiate system repair to fix the slow charging issue on your Samsung tablet.